Hey, this video is for Volt Electric NYC. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. Google loves content, so you want to make sure you have a lot of content on your homepage, at least 15 to 2000 words. As I see, you don't have it. So, and also make sure your pictures are saved with the correct keywords also. So the second one I want to talk about is the citation. Citation is we come here and type electricians NYC, we're gonna see here the Google guaranteed ads, then we see normal ads, and then we see map pack. So what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. So to rank here in the map pack, you need to make sure that you look into your competitions directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to put what they have and add a little bit more, so that way you completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. So now we already covered content, citations, and last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. You see like Yelp, expertise, home advisors. So these are a lot of big companies, national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So, but backlinks are not always created equal. And if you, for example, have backlink from ice cream shop, where it's all about ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it much good for you, and as let's say another electrician company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site link into you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. And so looking for one of these tools I have here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So as you see, you have 11 referring domains that gives you 18 backlinks, and out of those you getting found for 53 keywords, and out of those keywords you are getting 54 people on average to your site each month. And as we saw here on the first page, your competitor Apollo NYC, they have 47 referred domains that gives them 381 backlinks, and out of those they have 414 getting found for 414 keywords, and it brings them more than 500 people on average on their site each month. And if we check what keywords they have, we can see that electricians in my area, 2,000 people searching for that, and 70 people goes to his website. Electrical NYC, 150 people searching, and 46 people going to his website. And all of these keywords you can put to your website also. So pretty much it. That's all I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. And if you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the 3 tips I've given today. I will be in touch with you to get feedback on this video. And thanks again and have a great day.